Did you know happiness is not just an emotion, but a complex mix of psychological, biological, and social factors? Science reveals surprising insights about what truly makes us happy. Our brain releases chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin when we experience pleasure or joy. These neurotransmitters create feelings of happiness and contentment. While we might think that material possessions bring happiness, studies show that experiences, like travel or learning, bring longer-lasting joy. Relationships play a big role. Human connection and social bonds help boost happiness, as friends and family provide emotional support and reduce stress. Exercise is another surprising happiness booster. Physical activity releases endorphins, natural mood elevators that make us feel better. Sleep impacts happiness more than many realize. Good sleep allows our brain to process emotions, making it easier to manage stress and stay positive. Did you know gratitude can boost happiness? Research shows that people who practice gratitude regularly feel happier and more satisfied with their lives. Did you know gratitude can boost happiness? Research shows that people who practice gratitude regularly feel happier and more satisfied with their lives. People who set meaningful goals, whether personal or professional, often feel more fulfilled. Purpose gives direction, which contributes to a sense of satisfaction. Happiness can also come from helping others. Acts of kindness release dopamine in the brain, giving us a natural helper's high. Money can affect happiness, but only up to a certain point. Studies suggest that having enough to meet basic needs and reduce stress matters more than wealth. Mindfulness, or living in the present moment, helps reduce anxiety about the future and brings a sense of calm and happiness. Nature has a powerful effect on happiness. Being outside, especially in green spaces, is linked to lower stress and higher well-being. Did you know that music can boost happiness? Listening to songs we love triggers dopamine release, bringing joy and enhancing our mood. Positive thinking shapes our happiness. People with a growth mindset, who see challenges as learning opportunities, are generally happier. Laughter is a natural happiness booster, lowering stress hormones and releasing endorphins. Spending time with people who make us laugh benefits our well-being. Encouraging you to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's explore more about what really makes us happy. Hobbies contribute to happiness by engaging our minds and bodies in meaningful, enjoyable activities. Whether it's art, cooking, or reading, hobbies can bring joy. Pets can be great sources of happiness. Studies show that interacting with pets lowers stress and brings comfort, making pet owners happier overall. Eating healthy has a surprising link to happiness. Nutrients like omega-3s and antioxidants have been shown to improve mood and boost mental well-being. A balanced work life also affects happiness. Taking breaks, avoiding burnout, and spending quality time with loved ones promotes a happy life. Did you know that personal growth contributes to happiness? Trying new things and challenging ourselves keeps life interesting and fulfilling. Forgiveness is linked to greater happiness and peace. Letting go of grudges reduces stress and brings emotional relief. Learning to manage stress through techniques like meditation or yoga can prevent it from affecting our happiness and overall health. Hope and optimism are important for happiness. People who believe in a positive future tend to cope better with life's challenges. People who actively nurture their friendships are happier. Close, meaningful relationships act as a buffer against life's stresses. Time spent in solitude can also improve happiness. Reflecting, relaxing, or engaging in personal projects brings a sense of balance and peace. Having a daily routine helps with happiness by providing structure, predictability, and a sense of accomplishment. Did you know that laughter yoga and humor therapy have been found to increase happiness? Laughter really is some of the best medicine. Taking time to unplug from technology is beneficial. Studies show that reducing screen time can boost mood and improve sleep quality. Travel, even locally, introduces us to new experiences and perspectives, which can increase happiness by making life feel more adventurous. Expressing ourselves creatively, whether through art, music, or writing, can be a source of joy and help release emotions. Reflection on our values, passions, and what we truly care about leads to more happiness as we become more aligned with what matters. Celebrating small achievements is a happiness booster. Recognizing progress, no matter how small, keeps us motivated and positive. Did you know that finding meaning in challenges can increase happiness? People who grow through adversity often feel a greater sense of resilience and purpose. Purpose-driven work brings happiness. Feeling that our work contributes to society or helps others increases job satisfaction. A strong community connection brings happiness. Volunteering or joining groups that align with our interests helps us feel a sense of belonging. Physical touch, like hugs or a pat on the back, can release oxytocin, known as the love hormone, which helps us feel connected and happy. Did you know that playing games, whether sports, board games, or video games, can increase happiness by bringing fun and social interaction? Positive affirmations are small yet powerful happiness tools. Daily reminders of our worth and abilities improve self-esteem and mood. Cultivating acceptance and not letting small things bother us can increase happiness, helping us stay focused on the positive. People who adapt well to change are generally happier as they embrace new experiences and see them as part of life's adventure. People who adapt well to change are generally happier as they embrace new experiences and see them as part of life's adventure. Letting go of perfectionism also improves happiness. People who focus on progress rather than perfection find greater satisfaction. We can learn from others' happiness habits. Observing how joyful people live can inspire us to adopt similar attitudes and behaviors. Focusing on our strengths builds confidence, encouraging us to pursue goals that align with our natural talents. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this.